Hello friends, today I will show you how to change the theme of a MS Office. So firstly you have to click the start button, then you have to open the Microsoft Office. Here you can see I am using the black dark theme. Now the question arises how you can change in your computer. For this, firstly you have to go to file, then in file you have to go account. In account you can see here there is office theme pop up. From here you can select whatever color you want according to the provided by the Microsoft Office. Here is black, dark gray, colorful. If I choose colorful, then the word look like this. If I choose dark gray, then the MS Office look like this. If I choose black, then look like this. If I choose white, then it's the default color. So here is I am choosing black. If I choose white, you can see how the office look like, the default formation. And now I am going to change it. For changing it, firstly we need to go to account, then from here you have to select black, and now my office is black version, black thing, or you can write whatever you want. So if you like this video, then if you really like this video, then like it, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this.